Hey, I'm Zach from Gear Tech here at Gear Talk.
Talking gear.
Super excited to talk to you guys about the new Shure MoveMic 2 receiver kit that we got right here. Super excited about this. We just got this in. Gonna open it up for the first time, see what's in the package, see what we get. This right here is the MoveMic 2 from Shure, and let's take a look and see what's inside. So really nice packaging. Really like it actually. Comes in, throw it up. Ooh, looks like we got a nice little kit here actually. Looks like it comes with the owner's manual, of course, a nice little quick start guide, which is super slick. Get you nice and started super easy. Let you know exactly what to do right out of the box. But let's get to the good stuff. Let's see what's inside. All right, so it looks like these are the actual mics themselves. So this is a really cool charging case. You actually get 8 hours of battery life out of this. And the case has 2 extra charges. So you got a total of 24 hours of use out of these things. So here's the MoveMic. Check it out, really nice, fits in the case. Very nice little small lavalier. This kit actually comes with 2 of them. You can get a kit with just 1, you can get a kit with 2, or you can get a kit with the receiver as well. This is the full kit. So this is the MoveMic 2 receiver kit. You can record direct to phone with these, but if you wanted to go to a DSLR camera, we also have a nice little 2-channel receiver with a cold shoe mount, mounts directly on your DSLR cameras. And let's see what else we got in here. Looks like they're gonna give us our USB-C charging cables, which are really nice. Keep those there. We also have, it looks like, extra windscreens, so 2 extra windscreens for the mics. Let's see, yep, 2 extra windscreens for the mics. And your trusty 1/8" stereo, so you can go out of the receiver right into your DSLR camera. So that's kind of everything that we have here. As you can tell, we got the quick start guide, we got the manual, nice packaging, charging case, 2 lavs, which fit perfectly, directly, right in the charging case. Extra lavaliers, 2-channel receiver with cold shoe mount to mount right to your DSLR, 2 USB-C charging cables, and your 1/8" stereo to go right into your DSLR camera. And of course, nice carrying case to carry everything around. So we really enjoy you guys tuning in. Stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.